In this video, I'll show you how to send a QuickBooks payment reminder. First, log into QuickBooks Online and open your company. Next, go to Sales and select Invoices. Now find the unpaid invoice you want to follow up on and click to open it. After that, review the invoice details and make sure the customer email address is correct. Next, click Send Reminder or use the payment reminder option available on the invoice. Choose the reminder message you want to send, or edit the message if QuickBooks allows it. Now review the email and make sure the invoice information and payment details are correct. After that, click Send to email the payment reminder to your customer. If you want QuickBooks to handle reminders automatically, go to Settings, open Account and Settings, and look for Sales or the Invoice Reminders section. Turn on Automatic Invoice Reminders, and choose when reminders should be sent. Finally, save your settings and return to the Invoices section to check the payment status. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to send a QuickBooks payment reminder. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.